This DM interaction made me realize that the idea curly hair needs to be detangled every day comes from something deeper. It's cultural. For generation, our mothers and grandmothers detangled daily because their goal was different. They kept their hair long, oiled, braided, and to braid, you have to detangle. That daily detangling was about keeping hair neat, manageable, and ready to tie up. But for us, the millennial, Gen Z, Gen Alpha generations, the goal has shifted. We are not trying to force our hair into submission, we are trying to embrace its pattern, to keep it healthy, hydrated, and defined. For me, that means detangling only during wash days or pre shampoo. That's when my hair is fully wet, it's coated with slip, and ready to release tangles safely. If I detangle dry curls or even semi dry curls, I lose definition and end up with frizz and breakage. What you're watching here is my day 5 hair. I'm not detangling, I'm refreshing. I'm using a lightweight, water based mousse applied with praying hands and smoothing motions just to revive the curls that already exist. The goal isn't perfect ringlets. It's healthy, hydrated curls that last through the week. I've learned that my tangles are easier to manage, not because I detangle more, but because I keep my hair moisturized and balanced between wash days. That means regular clarifying, deep conditioning, and using products that actually nourish my coarse texture. When my hair stays hydrated, it doesn't knot up as much. So by the time wash day comes, detangling is quick, easy, and gentle. So if you've been told to detangle every day, ask yourself, is that really what your hair needs? Or is it just what you were taught to believe? Because your goal might not be the same as your mother's or your grandmother's anymore, and that's okay. You can still honor their traditions, but redefine them for your hair and your lifestyle today. And since we are here, let's talk about how to keep tangles under control without brushing your curls every day. Because detangling isn't the goal, preventing tangles is. Here's what helps me: clarifying regularly. When product buildup sits on your hair, the hair loses slip and clumps start sticking together. Deep condition weekly. Think of it as your tangle insurance. Style with intention. When you apply your styling products, work in sections, smooth your curls from root to tip. Don't rush through it. Protect your hair while you sleep. And refresh smart, not daily. If your curls still look good, leave them alone. Overtouching can cause breakage and shrink your wash day results faster. When you refresh, focus only on the areas that need it, usually the top and the sides. The truth is, caring for your curly hair isn't about working harder. It's about understanding what your hair needs before it starts screaming for help. Yeah, but see, you have the bottom layer, right? So it can never go shorter than that. So